Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome again to the lesson number 7 of the part 2. It's very exciting. We're getting there. We are really learning more. You can now see a lot of combination of the letters. And the same in this lesson, we're also going to be doing the 3-letter combinations, more of those. Example, the one that I've put there on the board. So I want you to keep on seeing these things so that you can really identify them nicely when you see them in the text or in the Quran. Right. So as you can see, this is lesson number 7, Arabic alphabet journey. Now we're going to start continuing the continuation of our previous learning by giving you more examples of the 3-letter combination. So we start here with this letter here. As you can see, the first one here is a fa, ha, da, dal. Fa, ha, dal. So you can see the fa with one dot, the ha connected, the fa connected to the ha. This is how it connects mostly, and you'll see that there's a ha there. But the most big identifiers here are your dots. So the dots are the biggest identifiers. So you can see fa, ha, da. Then the next letter will be, here you can see qaf, shin, lam. Qaf connected to shin, then a lam at the end. Okay, then you've got here also a shin connected to qaf, qaf, and qaf connected to tha. Right, so this is how you identify these letters. And here you've got the tha at the beginning of it, then connected to swad in the middle, and ha at the end. So identify these things, how they come in the middle and also at the end. The positioning is very, very important to understand how the letter change shapes. Then you've got Dwad. This is Dwad. Dwad connected to Tha. That's not Shin. A Shin will have 3 notches here, while the Tha will have only 1. So that shows you that this is just the Tha and that's the Ha. Tua, Sin, Jim. Alif. When it's alone, it's Alif. Then the next is Ba. Ba connected to Lam. So you can see it here. But now, here they put this Alif. Now here they put Hamza. So the pronunciation for both this one and this one will be the same. Hamza also stand as an Alif. So here's Hamza, Hamza. And this is Kaf and the star. Ha, Hamza, Nun. Ba, ha, kaf. Ya, wad, do. Lam, lam, waw. Lam, ba, wad. Noon, ta, yeah. Even if it doesn't have the dots here at the end, this is a ya at the end. When you see something like this at the end, you know that it should be a ya at the end. Okay, it cannot be a ta. A ta have to be have 2 dots on top. And when it's written like this and there's nothing underneath it, that we still pronounce it as a ya. Alif, Ra, Mim. These are mostly standalone letters as you have seen them before. And here you've got Dhad, Ya, Mim. Dhad, Ya, Mim. Ra, Sin, Lam. Ain, Mim, Ra. Ha, Mim, Dal. Ha, Mim, Dal. Very, very important word. Ain, Mim, Ra. That's Umar. When this is just like a Umar when you call Omar. And that is exactly Ain, Mim, Ra. Ha, Mim, Dal. And here the last one is Mim, Nun, Qaf. As you have seen it, brothers and sisters, this is the 3-letter combination. In the next lesson, we're gonna really see the strings of combination so that you can see these letters, you can identify these letters, especially when you see them connected in the one long letter. How do you identify them? And that's what we're gonna cover in the next lesson. Thank you very much for attending this lesson. I really appreciate it. Please don't forget to subscribe. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Thank you.